Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW Guy YouTube channel, and today we're doing a requested video. It's going to be sort of a more in-depth video, responding to a video that I did the other day about the side indicators. That video was filmed quite quickly and sort of in a bit of a rush, so the quality wasn't as good, and you guys have let me know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through how to remove the side indicator using the tripod here. Obviously not using that as the tool, but yeah, giving you a much better demonstration of how it's done. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay then guys, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, this is the side indicator on the right hand side of my car, and this video is sort of if you want to replace these, they're really easy to do so. You don't need any tools, all you need is two hands. So what we're going to do is we're just going to apply slight pressure and slide it forwards, and as you can see it slides forwards just like that. And as you slide forwards, we're going to just get a thumb behind it and pull it out, and it's just as simple as that. What we're going to do then is, you see we've got a little wiring harness here. We're going to press the clip on the top just like that and pull. Sometimes it gets a bit stuck, and there we go. That is our side indicator completely removed. So yeah, as you can see, there's a sort of a little area here where you can clean up. It's just, you can imagine this car is probably, well, it's 12 years old, it's done 100,000 miles, so the amount of crap that builds up behind this, it's definitely worth cleaning it off. So yeah, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace it so you guys can see how quick and easy it is to put it back in. So it's essentially just the opposite. What we're doing is we're just clipping it back in here. We want to make sure we can hear a click. There we go, so that's clearly clipped in. Now it's essentially the reverse of what we did before. So we just put it at this end in first, and as you can see we've got a little retaining clip here, and you just slide it forward and it will clip in at the back, and that's it. So yeah, there you go guys, there's my nice little in-depth, professionally filmed video on how to remove your side indicator. Thanks for your feedback on the previous one. Apologies, it was in a bit of a rush, but I just wanted to get it out. But yeah, so if you use this video to be as your sort of side input to show how it's really done, there we go. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.